Kai, I heard a very long word today. It starts with an R.
Oh? Was it relax? I like that word.
Ha ha ha. No, not relax. It was resolution. New Year, resolution. It sounds so serious.
You're right, Nova. It sounds like a big, heavy rock, but it's actually a very positive word.
I want to know more. What does it really mean for our daily life? Hello. Welcome back to the Vivid English podcast. I am Nova, and I am feeling very curious today.
And I am Kai. We are so glad you are spending time with us.
Today, we are talking about that big word, resolution. Specifically, a New Year resolution.
Many people say this word in January, but don't worry. We are going to make it simple.
Exactly. No big words allowed here. Just easy English and good conversation. So Kai, explain it to me like I am a child. What is a resolution?
Okay, a resolution is a promise.
A promise? Like, I promise to give you back your book?
Exactly. But a resolution is a promise to yourself.
Oh, I like that. A promise to myself.
Yes, it is when you say, this year, I want to change one small thing.
So if I say, I want to wake up early, is that a resolution?
Yes, I want to wake up early is a resolution.
And if I say, I want to be kind to people,
that is a beautiful resolution. I want to be kind.
it's like a goal, but softer. It's a promise to try.
Because a resolution is a promise, we can use the sentence, I promise to...
Let's practice that. I promise to drink more tea.
Is that a hard promise for you, Nova? You love tea.
You're right. It's an easy promise. How about a harder one? I promise to exercise on Mondays.
That is good. Listeners, listen to the pattern. I promise to, and then an action.
I promise to eat more fruit.
I promise to go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? That is early, Kai. You are very disciplined.
I try. But remember, it's a promise to myself. If I fail one day, I just try again the next day.
That is important. A resolution isn't a law. It's a direction. Sometimes people make resolutions about their house.
True. My house is a bit messy. My resolution is, I want to clean my desk.
Your desk? Just the desk?
Yes. If I say, I want to clean the whole house, I get tired. But I want to clean my desk is easy.
That is a smart way to think. Small resolutions.
What about your phone, Nova?
Oh, my phone. I use it too much. My resolution is, I am going to put my phone away at dinner.
That is a great one. Put my phone away. No Instagram while eating pasta?
No Instagram, just the pasta. I want to taste the food.
So we have. I want to clean my desk. I am going to put my phone away. I promise to listen more.
Let's listen to a small chat between two friends, Sarah and Leo.
Hey, Leo, do you have a New Year resolution?
I'm not sure. What does it mean?
It's a promise to yourself, something you want to do better.
Oh, okay. I have one. I promise to walk to work.
Walk to work, but the bus is faster.
I know, but I want to see the trees. And I want to move my legs.
That's nice. My resolution is, I am going to learn one new word every day.
One word, like resolution.
Yes, exactly like that.
I love Sarah's resolution. Learn one new word every day.
It's perfect for our listeners. If you learn one word every day, at the end of the year, you have 365 words.
That is a lot of English.
If you feel like English is hard, remember, a resolution is just a start.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying.
I make mistakes in my garden all the time, but I still love my flowers.
And we love your progress. You are here. You are listening. You are doing it.
Let's look at our resolution words one more time.
A resolution is a promise to yourself.
We can use these sentences. I want to. I want to learn. I am going to. I am going to walk. I promise to. I promise to be kind.
It doesn't have to be a big thing. A small change is a big win.
So, dear listener, it is your turn.
Don't think too hard. Just one thing. What is your promise to yourself?
Say it now. Start with, I promise to.
Maybe it is. I promise to be patient with myself.
That is the best resolution of all.
Thank you for joining us at Vivid English. We are so proud of you.
Sleep well or have a beautiful day. We will talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.